A is for astronaut flying through the air. B is for bee buzzing here and there. C is for cow with a big moo-moo. D is for doll dressed in pink and blue. E is for eel slithering in the sea. F is for feather floating wild and free. G is for gift with a big surprise. H is for helicopter zooming through the skies. Let's sing and say each sound. From A to Z we'll dance around. Fun with letters, come and play. Learn the sounds the joyful way. I is for ice, so chilly and cold. J is for Jeep, driving brave and bold. K is for kitten, soft and sweet. L is for lamp, shining near your feet. N is for magnet, pulling things tight. N is for net, catching fish just right. O is for otter, floating with a grin. P is for parrot, with colors on its skin. Let's sing and say each sound. From A to Z we'll dance around. Fun with letters, come and play. Learn the sounds the joyful way. Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R is for robot, spinning all around. S is for sock, cozy on your toes. T is for tree, where the green leaf grows. U is for uniform, neat and clean. V is for vest in red or green. W is for wolf, howling to the moon. X is in fox, who runs away soon. Y is for yo-yo, spinning up and down. Z is for zero, so perfectly round. We sang and said each sound. From A to Z we dance around. Phonics fun, hooray, hooray. Let's learn again another day. A is for acorn, small and brown. It falls from trees and rolls on down. B is for boat that sails at sea. Waves go splish and the birds fly free. C is for castle, big and wide, with towers tall and flags with pride. D is for dinosaur, strong and tall. He stomps his feet and shakes the hall. E is for envelope, open with care. A card or a letter might be in there. F is for fox with a bushy tail. He runs through woods and leaves a trail. G is for goose with a honking sound. She waddles slowly across the ground. H is for hedgehog, tiny and shy. He curls in a ball when someone walks by. I is for island, sunny and bright, with palm trees waving in the light. J is for jet that zooms so fast. It flies through clouds and whooshes past. K is for king with a golden crown. He rules his land in a royal gown. L is for ladybug, red with dots. She lands on leaves and tiny pots. N is for mouse, who's quick and small. He hides in holes and squeaks in the hall. N is for nurse, who helps you heal with gentle hands and care so real. O is for ostrich, tall and neat, with strong long legs and speedy feet. P is for pumpkin, round and bright. We carve a face on Halloween night. Q is for quail with feathers so fine. She walks in a row and falls in line. R is for raccoon with clever eyes. He sleeps at night and loves surprise. S is for snowman, standing still, with a carrot nose and hat of chill. T is for tent in the woods so deep, where campers sing before for unicorn, magic and white, with a glowing horn that shines at night. V is for volcano, hot and loud. It rumbles up with a fiery cloud. W is for watermelon, juicy and red. We eat it in summer by the flower bed. X is for X-ray, look and see what's inside you and what might be. Y is for yarn, all fluffy and long. We knit it into sweaters all winter long. Z is for zucchini, green and thin. We slice it up and toss it in. Now you've sung from A to Z, with fun new words for you and me. Let's sing again, dance all around, with ABCs and joyful sound.
A is an alligator snapping in the sun. B is a butterfly having so much fun. C is a clown with a red balloon. D is a duck who sings a silly tune. E is an eagle flying way up high. F is a frog who loves to leap and try. G is a giraffe stretching tall and proud. H is a hippo laughing out loud. Let's go dancing from A to Z, with animals, colors, and friends to see. Jump and giggle, twirl around. The alphabet's a magic sound. I is an iguana, green and bright. J is a jellyfish glowing at night. K is a kangaroo hopping with grace. L is a lion with a smiling face. M is a monkey swinging in the trees. N is a nest swaying in the breeze. O is an owl who stays up late. P is a penguin who likes to skate. Let's go dancing from A to Z, with animals, colors, and friends to see. Jump and giggle, twirl around. The alphabet's a magic sound. Q is a queen with the golden crown. R is a rabbit hopping through town. S is a squirrel who climbs so fast. T is a turtle who walks so slow. U is an umbrella on a rainy day. V is a violin playing a tune. W is a whale who splashes with joy. X is a telephone playing in a beat. Y is a yak with the woolly coat. Z is a zebra running through the grass. Now we sung from A to Z. Let's clap our hands so happily. Letters are friends we meet each day. They help us write, they help us play. From apples to zebras, come along and sing again our alphabet song. Let's go singing from A to Z, with lovely things for you and me. Look at the pictures, big and bright. Learning sounds feels just right. A is for apple, red and round. B is for balloon floating off the ground. C is for carrot, crunchy and sweet. D is for drum with a steady beat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for flower in a sunny day. G is for grapes in a purple bunch. H is for hat with a happy touch. Phonics, fun for everyone. Let's learn sounds and have some fun. From A to Z, come sing along, with every letter in our song. I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for jelly, in a row. K is for key that opens a chest. L is for lemon, it's the zest. M is for moon up in the sky. N is for nest where the birds fly by. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for panda, black and white. Q
Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow coming down. S is for star that shines at night. T is for train with a glowing light. Phonics, fun for everyone. Let's learn sounds and have some fun. From A to Z, come sing along with every letter in our song. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for volcano with fire blaze. W is for whale swimming free. X is in box, can you see? Y is for yogurt in a cup. Z is for zebra trotting up. Now we've learned from A to Z. Give a cheer and sing with me. Phonics fun, hooray, hooray! We sang and learned the sounds today. Letter sounds and rhymes so bright. Let's sing again tomorrow night.
A is for airplane flying high. B is for bat flapping through the sky. C is for cake with sprinkles on top. D is for donut, never wanna stop. Come along and sing with me. From A to Z, it's easy as can be. Words are fun, just wait and see. Let's learn together joyfully. E is for egg, so round and white. F is for fire, burning bright. G is for gate, swing open wide. H is for house, where we sleep inside. Come along and sing with me. From A to Z, it's easy as can be. Words are fun, just wait and see. Let's learn together joyfully. I is for iron, smooth out the crease. J is for jacket, warm and fleece. K is for kettle, bubbling tea. L is for lollipop, sweet for me. M is for map to find our way. N is for noodles we slurp all day. O is for ocean waves that roar. P is for popcorn, give me more. Come along and sing with me. From A to Z, it's easy as can be. Words are fun, just wait and see. Let's learn together joyfully. Q is for quilt, cozy and tight. R is for rose, blooming bright. S is for spider, spinning thread. T is for tomato, juicy and red. U is for urchin, down below. V is for vulture, flying low. W is for worm, wiggly and shy. X is an ox with a look so sly. Y is for yacht on water so blue. Z is for zoo with animals too. We've sung our song from A to Z. Let's sing again so joyfully. Come along and sing with me. From A to Z, we learn them happily. Words are magic, can't you see? Let's keep exploring A